In some social studies class, you just hear about what other people did. But in this case, you're the one that is putting the actions into doing something and moving something forward. You're the one that's making it happen.
I would tell other students who are going to do this project to pick a topic that affects them so they have more insight on it and they can influence it more.
When I first started it with my teacher, I thought it was just going to be another project that I did. I didn't know that years later I would be going to a different state or presenting this or filming this. So really care about what you're doing because you never know where it could end up.
My favorite moment was researching, exploring all these potential solutions.
I think for me, it was when we had to actually interview the people, think about their problems and be in their shoes and make them feel comfortable at the same time.
We conducted a survey and we wanted to survey people that were affected by the problem. So we surveyed our students.
Another thing that really surprised us was our lunch program's website. Because when we researched Mashios, which is our lunch provider, we realized that they were saying that they cut trans fat, sodium, they don't have fried foods at all. But then when we looked to the actual food, then we realized that the sources aren't credible. So it's not the teacher's fault or the faculty's fault that we don't get adequate lunch because they're being served false information as well.
So this is our research data. More than 60% of people think that we should incorporate a flag football team in WWMS, which is more than half of the population in our school.
There was a surprisingly large amount of people who used AI in our school. And also we were surprised that because this is such a fast growing issue, there's no policy set in place yet for AI.
And it was really fun to have a real life problem and find a solution for it because I haven't done that in any of my other classes. So it was really interesting to be able to do this in my social studies.
I also feel like we learned how to speak out for issues in our community.
And also I feel like this project helped me expand my critical thinking because now when it comes to other problems, I feel like I would question why or if something's reliable or not. This issue kind of made us think what more issues can there be and what more problems can we solve.
Since I participated in this project, I feel like I can make more impact than I thought I would. I'm actually changing people's perspectives, their points of views.
Yeah, after seeing that we could do so much, as young as we are, that we could change one little problem at a time, maybe we could do something bigger when we're older.
Yeah. I know that when you try to make change, it might not look like a drastic change at first. It's also about spreading awareness.
Through doing this project, I realized that it's one thing to complain and it's one thing to actually find a solution to what you're complaining about. Let me ask myself, what solutions can I do to make that problem, go away?